In the process of Perlite ball press installation, pipelines should be laid in strict accordance with electrical standards, and strong and weak signal lines should be isolated and worn to prevent interference. If the Perlite ball press equipment is in the outdoor, open environment, the independent external lightning protection method should be adopted. The equipment itself should also adhere to outstanding grounding to prevent the influence of electrostatic accumulation on the ball press equipment. Install the power cable, communication cable and video cable correctly in connection. Careful reference should be made to the stated requirements of the device to acknowledge the communication method and corresponding pins. Under normal circumstances, the equipment should be installed in the late construction period in order to prevent a large amount of dust from the construction site into the ball press equipment, affecting the use of Perlite ball press equipment and life.